So camp stove, it's basically all camp stove have got certain parts that's kind of similar on all camp stoves. So you've got these legs that the pot can rest on. You've got a burner. You've got these little holes that the oxygen can get sucked in. Then you've got this little sharp tip that will pierce through the gas canister. And then you've got something that keeps the gas canister in. And then you've got this part that's like a little tap. So I'll just take the top on its own. So you need to know, if you want to, you can do this brainstorm at the back of your book or in the front. Like just a little, just to remind you what you're dealing with. So you've got the burner. You can have a little sketch of each part as well, like exploded maybe. So you'll have the burner. Then here we'll call that those are, maybe that's just the extension for the burner to stand on. Then you've got those holes for the oxygen. Then in here, you'll have kind of like a valve or a tap. So normally it's a round part with a hole drilled into it, and there's a hole there. So if you turn this round part, it will, if it's totally open, the biggest it's open, it will have that. But if you turn it a little bit away, the little tube inside that won't be next to that. So this will be our adjuster. And normally on the adjuster, if you look at the adjuster from the front, it will have a indication like this with a positive and a negative. And that makes it clear. If you turn it to the positive, it will go hotter, so you open more gas. If you turn it to the negative, it will close it, so you'll have no gas until it dies. Then here on the bottom, you'll have this rubber seal. So you'll have a part like this with a rubber seal and then a sharp bit. This will, if your gas canister is here, that sharp bit will stick into the gas canister, and the rubber bit will be a seal. So if you draw it in 3D, it will probably be with a sharp bit sticking out there, and that sticks into the canister, opening the canister, but the rubber bit seals around it. So you guys have to start thinking. In the one part that these little supports for the pot, so you'll have supports like this around it, 3 or 4. Because you can't balance the pot on that small space only. You need to have this. So whatever your design is, your camp stove needs to have all these parts. Otherwise, it won't be a working camp stove. So we have to start thinking of all these parts. And that's what development's going to be later. So in the next clip,